Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, what's up everyone? It's been too long since we did this one. The last one was last year, July. I think we uploaded some food vlog. But today we're gonna do some one of my favorite comfort food from the Philippines. So it's gonna be like a pork belly grilled and some chicken liver grilled combination. There's lots of variety here. This recipe back in the Philippines, but we kind of like, you know, because it's comfort food, it's easy to make, less ingredients, and tastes really good. And I'll show you the ingredients. So on this recipe, we're gonna use the pork belly, no skin, which is really good for grilled, and some chicken liver, and we're also gonna use some soy sauce. We're also going to use some soy sauce and vinegar, some salt and black pepper, onions, a little bit of garlic, some ginger, and a lot of chilies. And we're gonna use some of the lime or lemon on this recipe with spring onions. But we're gonna make some mushroom fried rice later on. So we're gonna use that one, and some baby mushroom are my favorite chestnut mushrooms. Now the first thing we do is boil the chicken liver with onions, bay leaf, black peppercorn, and then some star anise. We put also some vinegar just to get the aftertaste of the liver. We put some aromatics and just boil it for like 5-10 minutes will do. Well, here we go. Grilled it with salt and black pepper. So this is called pan grilling until golden brown. Alright, we are after to the golden brown, and then once you achieve so we're gonna use the oil to pan grill our liver to make more tastier. So we also chop our ingredients, spices. We got garlic, onions, some lime, some ginger, chili, and spring onion to garnish our recipe. It's all been prepped already. We have our grilled pork belly and chicken liver, so that's for garnishing at the top, and all our spices ready. So let's do the plating. To our plating, so this will be mixed up in here. So we're gonna put some chilies, but not all the chilies you put, because you still need something at the top. That one on your garnish as well. Some spring onions and ginger, because this food is a lot of ginger, and the garlic. You don't need that one for garnish at the top. So all the garlic goes through, and the onions. That's it. And you have to put some vinegar on it. You have to measure so you know which quantity you need to put in. And some soy sauce. And put some lime in it. and the salt and pepper, and you're good to go. So that's your mixture. A little bit of salt. And mix them all together. That's one. So we're gonna put it in plates. I think that's how you plate them, man. It should be good. Right, let's do the other recipe. Is mushrooms fried rice. So we have a mushroom combination of chestnut mushroom and button mushroom, baby button mushrooms. Got some garlic, spring onions for the garnish. And this one we're gonna use some olive spread or olive butter with extra virgin olive oil and an old rice from yesterday. Alright, first up, get a clean non-stick pan, heat it up. Put some extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, because we still need to put our olive spread. Then dump in the garlic. Whatever you do, don't burn your garlic on this one, because it got like a bitter taste. Sticks in the pan. The only thing you have to cook, so the rice is already cooked. The only thing you need to cook to make sure it's cooked is the mushroom. But you have to leave a little bit, so you could put a garnish on the top. Mushroom, just a little small bit. See that one? Nearly done. So because your mushroom is a little bit strong, put black pepper on it. And some Himalayan salt. We always use Himalayan salt in here. See, you could smell it already. Your mushroom is ready to go. If you overcook it, the mushroom will shrink really fast, and then you don't want that. It's not good. little mushrooms. That's why if you order a stir fry, mushroom stir fry, if the mushroom is really small, it means they've been cooking it for too long, which is not good. Lower the fire, then get some old rice. Now the rice is absorbing all the butter and the garlic. If you want, you have to put additional pepper on it. But for me, I always prepare not so peppery or salty on my food. So that will do. As you see, the mushroom is shrinking already. So let's plate this one up. So here's your mushroom fried rice. If you love mushroom, so this is yours. Alright, thank you for watching my channel, and this is I want to get back on food blogging because I love to cook, and I always cook on my Instagram called Juke Sanchez. Check it out. I always cook some food in there, but never to put it in YouTube for a vlog. So if you're gonna wonder like what ingredients I use on my recipe, just leave me a message and then you could see what ingredients did I use. So I hope you enjoy this one. I call them comfort food because just like today, we're just chilling in the house, so easy for us to cook like this one. A lot of Filipino is a good cook, so they probably understand what I'm doing now because a lot of combination of a lot of Filipino recipe like dakam, kilawin, all this, even the sisig, you just have to add mayonnaise on it and it become another dish. In the Philippines, we always experiment a lot of recipe. So I'm one of them chef, I'm one of them cook in the Philippines who always create a new recipe. So until the next time, this is like my birthday celebration food vlog, and I wish you all the best, and until the next vlog.